Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline if you're new. So this is gonna be a very self-care, get my shit together type vlog weekend. It's gonna be a weekend in my life. So my fiance, Ryan, is going to visit his family in Houston this weekend. I decided not to go this time just because he hasn't had time just with his family with him in a while, and we just got back from vacation, so I'm like, okay, this will be a good weekend. I can kind of catch up on some things I need to catch up on, but I don't know if anyone else feels this way after you get back from vacation, but I just feel like my habits aren't as good. I don't have as good of like a morning routine, like routines throughout the day. And so I really just want to focus on self-care, developing a plan for next week, like picking up around my apartment, getting everything straight and ready to just get back on track and back to my productive self. But so it's gonna be this weekend. It's still gonna be fun though. I'm still gonna incorporate fun things that I'm doing or showing you products and all that good stuff. But yeah, so right now, later on today, I need to go drop off a check at our reception venue. That's our deposit. So maybe I'll give you guys like a little sneak peek when I walk up there, but I'm so excited. So wedding stuff is happening. I booked our, so far I've booked our wedding is June next year, right? Yeah. So far I've booked a photographer, videographer. We have our church reception venue. Just booked a band yesterday, so excited. Oh yeah, and then I've booked hair and makeup. So I feel like, and also like, oh my gosh, freaking expensive. But I feel like I'm really like chipping away at it, so I feel really good about it. But yeah, so that's my wedding task that I have today. I'm also making a video right now about my bridesmaid boxes and doing my bridesmaids proposals, so stay tuned for that. That'll be a really fun video. I'm gonna have a whole wedding series that's kind of slowly but surely starting up as things get moving. But yeah, okay, well that's my little life catch up. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and follow me on Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys when I talk to you. Okay, just got home from the grocery store. I'm gonna make vodka sauce with pasta tonight. And so I'm just gonna do a little mini grocery haul, but it's basically just the stuff that I needed for the pasta, plus a few other things. I've been in love with the Siete tortilla, Siete grain-free tortilla chips in the nacho flavor. So good. I feel like it's pretty low cal for the amount of chips you get too. Like it's 130 calories for 19 chips, and that's way different than regular tortilla chips. I feel like it's like 8 tortilla chips for 130 calories, so it's like just a good crunchy snack. Ooh, what was that? Then I got some sourdough bread. I've been loving making my avocado toast with eggs in the morning. I got this pasta. It's funny because I used to think angel hair pasta was like the coolest pasta ever, and then here I am buying what my mom always used, which is these like round cylinder pastas, so go figure. I got some more eggs to have with my avocado toast in the morning, so I want to keep having healthy breakfasts this weekend. That one's empty. I got some more kombucha. Oh, this is not kombucha. I also got this, I forgot. I guess this kind of is a little grocery haul. I want to try this because I saw this recipe for these really yummy like chicken skewers, and you like marinate them in barbecue sauce. This is the Noble Made Smoky Barbecue Cooking and Dipping Sauce, and it's Whole30 approved, which I love. So basically there's just no added sugar in it, which is shocking how many things have added sugar. A couple more avocados. A shallot and onion for the vodka sauce tonight. Some more rolled oats for some oatmeal. I love breakfast and oatmeal. Okay, and then now finally onto the stuff for the pasta, besides the noodles that I've showed. I got some Parmesan. It said fresh grated Parmesan, and I almost did that, but this one is fine. I got some more butter. We were out of butter. Heavy whipping cream. This is not a healthy pasta by any means. And then I got some tomato paste. paste, which is like the major component of this besides the vodka. And then I got some more kombucha. I really like this one. I think I'm gonna have it right now. It's the probiotic kombucha, and it's Whole30 approved, which is interesting because you drink kombucha, I've never had kombucha, like it tastes pretty sweet. So let's see. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, mango lemon. I've had the strawberry one, but they didn't have it. But I like this one too, so that's good. Yeah, this one is, one can is 25 calories. And like for a little drink, I feel like that helps me like curb my hunger a little bit to have just like a nice drink. And then I also got this one, has been my favorite lately. It's the Synergy Strawberry Serenity Kombucha. And then, oh yeah, I got another can of tomato paste. I didn't know how much I was gonna need. And then last but not least, I literally always kill my basil plants whenever I buy a basil plant. But I wanted to try again because I love having fresh basil. So if you have any tips to keeping your basil plant alive, leave me a comment. But yeah, that's my little grocery haul. I'm gonna like make the bed and basically straighten up, even though the day's like near over by now. I just wanna like straighten up. So much better. I fluffed the pillows on the couch. I still need to hang the round mirror we have right there. The kitchen is clean. The bed is made. I put away all of my makeup. So much better. So it's a little bit later now. I'm gonna start cooking my pasta. I'm so excited. I remember I made this vodka sauce pasta with my friend Jessie, or I should say we didn't make it, she made it for me. And it was so good. It's Half-Baked Harvest recipe, so I'll link that below. The only difference is hers has pesto in this recipe, and we omitted the pesto just because like, I just want the vodka sauce, honestly. Oh my gosh, how freaking good does this look? I just tried it and impeccable. Out of this world. Had to get in the good lighting for this, but mamma mia. Oh, I'm so excited to dig into this. It looks so good. I topped it with some fresh basil and parm. Oh, yum. Good morning. Just woke up, put on a pot of coffee. I thought it was gonna be sunnier out today, but also destroying the evidence. If you have a crumble where you live, I highly recommend. What mug are we using this morning? Oh, this is clean. What do I want? A super cute mug. Thanks, Allie Crump. Just got this creamer. I love Nut Pods. It's my favorite dairy-free creamer, and this flavor is so good. Also, if you've never tried it, make sure you shake it up really good. But yeah, like 5 calories per tablespoon, no added sugar, and it's so good. I texted Ryan this morning because I was like, look at your side, it's perfection. Because he always says I roll over to his side and I'm a bad bed hog, but I'm like, hello, I'm perfect. I've shown this before, but I haven't done it in a long time. So I'm gonna start my morning off by doing this. If you've never seen it before, it gives you a quote and you put, I'm grateful for, what would make today great, daily affirmations, and then you do it at the end of the day too, and it literally just takes 5 minutes and it's great. I'm just really gonna try today. I just feel like I've been on my phone too much and I wanna make the most of today and not waste a day. Okay, it's a little bit later now. Just got in my little workout outfit. I'm just wearing this like sports bra and biker shorts. I'm like thinking about putting a shirt on over it because I'm just like, I'm poaching a little bit, y'all, from last night's feast, but it's okay, you gotta live. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Orange Theory. And then I really don't know what I'm doing with the rest of my day. But I have some hard-boiled eggs cooking right now because I need to eat something. I always work out so much better when I have some protein in me. So we're gonna do that, go work out, and I'll talk to you guys after my workout. Just got back from my workout, felt so good. And now I'm gonna make some avocado toast, but I really need to do my laundry. Look at my t-shirt. Ollie's Liquor, Lubbock, Texas. It's a liquor store where I went to college. If you know, you know. I'm like, this is seriously my only option for a t-shirt right now. But yeah, I make some toast. And then honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing for the rest of the day. I think I'm really just gonna take it easy. You have to, sometimes I have to tell myself that it's okay and it is self-care to do nothing. So, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll let you know if I come up with anything else. Yum, so easy and quick. Sourdough, premium bread, then the avocado, just put lemon juice in it, mashed it up, and put everything but the bagel seasoning on top. Just got ready for bed, put on my bougie PJs, and I just used this Luxe Unfiltered Self-Tanner for the first time, and it's a hydrating self-tanning cream. So basically it's like a lotion. And I've heard other people talk about this and say you can literally sleep on your white sheets and nothing will happen. And also it says the scent is rosewood, and it really is. Like, it does not smell like self-tanner at all. So I'll let you guys know my thoughts on what it looks like in the mornings. I know it's gradual, but hopefully I see some color in the morning. But I didn't put it on my shoulders or my chest or anything because I'm still peeling from my sunburn from the Dominican. But anyways, I am gonna just literally get in bed and watch TV. I have realized this about myself. I thought a weekend, you know, just like resting by myself was gonna be cool. I'm like over 24 hours in, and I miss Ryan and I miss social interaction. I'm like, a whole weekend of nothing is overrated. I think I just hadn't had one in, I feel like, literally years of just this that I was looking forward. Not like really like, oh my gosh, yay, like be by myself looking forward to it, but thought it would be nice. And it is nice, but I think I like to do at least one activity a weekend or something like that. But anyways, it's still been lovely. I'm gonna find a new true crime show to watch, light a candle, and get in bed. Hello, happy Sunday, or whatever day you're watching this. So today's been a good Sunday. Got up, went to Orange Theory, made some avocado toast with some fried egg on top. It was delicious. Now I put a roast in the oven. Ryan's gonna be home at 6:30. I'm so ready for him to be home. But I also wanted to give you guys an update on the tanner from last night because I'm obsessed with it, basically, in a nutshell. It didn't smell at all. It didn't leave any orangeness on my sheets. It wasn't sticky. It smelled great. And my legs are a lot tanner than I even expected them to be. I really should have done it before and after, so apologies. I also probably should have done a little bit more on my feet, but feet are just so hard with self-tanner. But anyways, yeah, like, I love the color, and just for the amount of not stickiness, and it just felt like a lotion. It didn't even feel like a tanner. I'm really, really happy with the result. So now I'm really just chilling. Like I said, I have a roast in the oven. If y'all had never made a pot roast before, I can't express to you enough how much it is, one, the best meal ever, and two, how easy it is, and three, how amazing it makes your house, apartment, whatever, smell. It smells like heaven. Basically, all you do is take a chuck roast, which is a type of beef you can get at the store, and I'm really sorry if you guys already make a roast and you have to listen to this. But then I just put Montreal steak seasoning all over it. Then you pour a beer on it, and then you cover it. And then you put it in the oven at 325 for 3 hours. Flip it over so the other side can like get the juice. Then you put like onions and potatoes in it, cover it back up, cook for another hour. I'll link my recipe down below, but it's just the best Sunday meal ever. Pot roasts, like, oh my gosh. I think that was one of the first things I made Ryan, and he's like, holy shit, this is some good stuff. I'm literally starving right now, and I still have another like 2 hours until dinner. But I was looking at my pantry because I really didn't buy any snacks this week. And two things. One, Verb sent me these Verb energy bars in peppermint mocha, and they're caffeinated energy bars with as much caffeine as a shot of espresso in one little bar, and they really do work. I like them a lot. So I don't know what my code is. I'm new to this whole thing, but I'll put the code on the screen once I figure that out. But then also, I was like, what else could I have for a snack? I'm ravenous. And I forgot that I got these dates, which they're huge and they look like big turds. Sorry, that's not gonna want to entice you guys to eat this, but if you dip a date in peanut butter, it literally tastes like a dessert and it's good for you. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just thought I'd share.